Good morning, children. Okay, so we are back to our class. This is the class of English 1. Okay, for class 5, students, take out your books and get ready. We will be learning today about the man who loved all. This is the name of the lesson, and this is lesson number 3. Okay, this is the story of a very famous man, I must say. I think all of you have heard the name of Abraham Lincoln. Yes, so he is a very famous person, and let's see what makes him famous. All right, let us start. Once there was a time when people were bought in change and sold in the market like oxen or horses. They were bought from African jungles. They were sold to the white wealthy men in Europe and America. This practice was called slavery. The slaves had to work hard for the rich owners who bought them from the market. The condition of the slaves was worse than that of animals. They were tied and treated mercilessly, and they worked day and night. So, once upon a time, when it was quite early, বহুত দিনৰ আগৰ কথা, when there was practice of slavery, especially in the western parts of the country. Right? So, what happened there is that people from African jungles were bought and were dragged like animals. Acha, what is the meaning of dragged? জীৱ জন্তুক যেনেকৈ পঘাৰে ডিঙিত বান্ধি পেলাই চুচৰাই অনা হয়, that is the meaning of dragged. Okay, African jungleৰ পৰা মানুহবোৰ, the black men were especially, they were dragged, and they were not just men, they were even women, they were children. They were treated mercilessly. There was no love, no kindness shown to them, and they were made to work and toil day and night. Right, and then they were sold to whom? They were sold to the white man in America. Their condition was even worse than animals. Okay, these two practice was known as what? This practice was known as slavery. Let us go to the next paragraph now. Slavery was abolished by Abraham Lincoln when he was the President of the United States of America. Abraham Lincoln is a world famous name. It is interesting to know how this lover of mankind traveled from a poor wood cabin to the White House. Now, here we will learn that Abraham Lincoln, a very famous name, as I have already told you, this man, he have abolished slavery. What is the meaning of abolish? To eradicate, naikia kori dile. Okay. How did he manage to abolish slavery? So, before starting the journey of Abraham Lincoln, let me tell you that Abraham Lincoln was not from a very rich background. He was from a very humble and poor background. I think, like, we must say that he came from a really poor family. He lived in a wood cabin, মানে কাঠৰ এটা সৰু ঘৰ, জুপুৰি ঘৰ জংঘলত, তেনেকুৱা তেওঁৰ ঘৰ আছিলে. Okay, so his journey from that wood cabin to the White House of America is something very remarkable. So let us see what's there. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12 February 1809 in a log cabin. Very important line, please underline it. His father, Thomas Lincoln, was a poor farmer, and his mother, Nancy, was an illiterate housewife. The family, after wandering from place to place, settled in Indiana, a heavily forested area. Lincoln, who was a healthy boy, helped his father in farming. He cleared the forest for farming by felling trees with an axe. So, Abraham Lincoln was born in which year? In 1809. When? On 12 February. Okay, this is something which you need to remember. And he was born in that humble poor hut, that is the log cabin. And his father's name was what? Thomas Lincoln. Thomas Lincoln was a farmer, and the name of Abraham's mother was Nancy. She was an illiterate woman. What is the meaning of illiterate? She didn't even know the basic alphabets. okay পঢ়া শুনা একো নজনা মানুহক illiterate মানুহ বুলি কোৱা হয় সিহঁতে এইটো জেগাৰ পৰা হিটো জেগালৈ ঘূৰি ফুৰে wandered from one place to another আৰু কোনটো জেগাত সিহঁত settle হ'ল there is a place called Indiana and it was a heavily forested area গোটেই জংঘলৰ নিচিনা এৰিয়া হৈছে আৰু তাত সিহঁত settle হৈ গ'ল তাত সিহঁতে নিজৰ জুপুৰি ঘৰটো সাজি তাত থাকিবলৈ ল'লে and what did Abraham do as Abraham grew up he started to help his father by cutting trees right Abraham Lincoln spent his childhood without any schooling the poor condition of the family did not permit Lincoln to attend school moreover being in an isolated and remote region the place where they were living had no schools nearby because they were poor Abraham's father couldn't afford him to send to school তো মানে সিহঁতৰ তাৰ দেউতাকে তাক পইচা পাতিৰ অভাৱৰ কাৰণে স্কুললৈ পঠিয়াব পৰা নাছিলে সিহঁতৰ ঘৰৰ অৱস্থা ভাল নাছিল কাৰণে and plus there is one more thing that what happened is that where they settled that was a isolated area what is the meaning of isolated a place where there is no population no human population at all that is known as a isolated place ekdom ekahoriya ke থকা জায়গা এটাত সিহঁত নিজে সেটেল হৈ গৈছিলে সো সেই জায়গাটোৰ ওচৰত কোনো ধৰণৰ স্কুল আৰু বা এডুকেশনাল ইনষ্টিটিউশন নাছিলে ৰাইট In 1818, tragedy struck the family. Abraham's mother died. Alright. Now there was nobody to look after Lincoln and his elder sister. So now we came to know that Lincoln also had an elder sister. And when in 1818 his mother died, there was no one to look after the two children. So in the following year, Thomas Lincoln married Sarah Bush Johnson, a widow with 3 children. The children liked their stepmother and she loved Abraham and his sister. Now, Abraham's father was unable to take care of the 2 small children alone, as a result of which, after the death of his mother, Thomas Lincoln, that is Abraham's father, he married a widow. Widow মানে বিধৱা মানুহ এগৰাকী with 3 children. সেই মানুহগৰাকীৰ আকৌ তিনটা সন্তান অলৰেডি আছিলে তো সিহঁতৰ লগত একেলগে Abraham and his sister total 5 children they stayed together and Sarah Johnson she was also a very nice and kind lady she took good care of Abraham and his sister and the children had a very good bonding among themselves. The stepmother understood the importance of education. She encouraged the children to get education. Whenever time permitted, Lincoln attended the ABC school, which taught how to read, write, and do simple arithmetic. With this learning and a desire to learn more, Lincoln started reading a number of books. Now, his stepmother, Sarah, was a very compassionate and understanding woman. She knew that education had a great value. So she encouraged all her children to get educated alright so there was a school named as ABC school and that school taught basic things alright basic numericals basic mathematics basic English so Abraham got himself educated there the basic education he got it from there and he had a very keen desire to learn more and more. So with keeping that desire alive, Lincoln started reading a number of books, right? A number of books to gain more and more knowledge. Lincoln took up many jobs to earn a living. He was employed to ferry passengers and cargo in ship. He worked as a clerk in general store and then as a postmaster. Okay, so to earn money to support his family and to also buy books maybe. Alright, so Lincoln had taken out many jobs. বহুত কাম কৰিছিল কি ধৰণৰ কাম কৰিছিল employed to ferry passengers and cargo in a ship এই যে নদীত যে ফেৰীবোৰ যে যায় মটৰ বোটবোৰ তাত মানুহবোৰ উঠাবলৈ সহায় কৰা মানুহবোৰৰ বস্তু ফেৰীখনত উঠাই মেলি দিয়া সেইখিনি কামত সহায় কৰিছিল তেনেকুৱা এটা চাকৰি কৰিছিল তাৰপিছত জেনেৰেল ষ্ট'ৰ এখন দোকানত ক্লাৰিকেল কাম কৰিছিল আৰু তাৰপিছত পোষ্টমাষ্টাৰ হিচাপেও কাম কৰিছিল okay so this is till here I think all of you have understood so in the next class that means in the next video we will be learning about the next part of the lesson. So this is part 1 of the video. Please go through your book, students. Whatever I have taught you, read it, revise it at home, and we will be meeting very soon in the next video. Okay, and then we will complete the chapter. All right, so have a nice day. Bye bye.